Hello comrades. Today I would like to share with you one of my favorite recipes for a mass gainer / meal replacement shake. Yes, you can go and buy a pre-made mass gainer or a high calorie protein shake mix like this. I really like this one. This one's pretty good, but I can tell you honestly, I don't ever indulge in this particular product anymore because I far prefer making my own. And I'm going to show you how to do that here today. All right, so as far as the ingredients that we're gonna need in this particular shake today, we're gonna need milk or a milk substitute. We need that creatine. We need favorite whey protein powder or whatever protein powder that you like, maybe pea protein, lean plantain, it's up to you. Heck, you almost don't even need protein powder in this, but I just like to really raise that number. Next, we're gonna do old-fashioned oats. Got my protein tub full of it, nice and recyclable. Then in this one I'm going to be using some strawberry Greek yogurt and also some delicious frozen berries. Last but not least, that spinach. The spinach is going to be a key ingredient. Ignore those dirty dishes in the sink, I'll do them later. You can also throw a banana in here, but I'm gonna opt to omit the banana in today's recipe since we've got the yogurt, which is pretty sugary. All right, so step number one, we are gonna grab our blender cup. I like using the cup because you just drink it right out of this. We're going to put about 12 ounces of milk. A little bit more, but that'll be all right. Next step, we're gonna add our frozen berries. We'll keep a little scoop in here. It's like a 1/3 cup scoop. We'll use 1 cup of berries in this recipe. 3 scoops. Next up, we're gonna add our oats. I like to put in 1 cup of oats, but again, modify this how you like based on the macros that you are going to be pursuing. I'll include the stats for this shake at the end of the video. We're gonna be doing 1 cup, so 3 scoops. I kind of like to incorporate the oats into the milk a little bit. That just helps with space in the cup. Spill a little bit too. You always want to make a mess when you're cooking. I highly recommend it. Next ingredient we're going to be our creatine. Dump 1 nice scoop of that in there. Next, grab a spoon. I'm gonna put a couple of big scoops of yogurt in here. It'll be about, I don't know, maybe a 1/3 cup. Want to go easy on the yogurt, especially a sugary one like this one. You don't want your calories to all be coming from refined sugar, but God, it tastes good. Next, I'll be adding that spinach, them greens. Don't be shy on the spinach in here. I promise you're not gonna taste it with all this other sweet stuff. So we're gonna put a good amount. And I really like to pack it in there. It's a good way to get in a serving of veggies for breakfast, which can be tough sometimes. I'm gonna put a good amount of spinny in there. Push it down. Make sure we have room for the final ingredient, which is our whey protein powder. I'm using this Rule 1 frozen banana. So good, so tasty. Do 1 scoop of that. Throw it on top. Great, all we have to do now is blend. All right. We're gonna stick our mix on the blender there, give it a little shake to get some of that milk to go down. And then we're just gonna give it a whirl here. It's a thickie, you can tell. Pro tip, if you can get it thicker with fruits and vegetables, fibrous things, or even like yogurt or even ice can kind of thicken it. It will really help to suspend those oats in there and keep them from all sinking to the bottom. All right, and there we have it, a homemade high protein, high calorie meal replacement slash mass gainer shake. You can make it higher or lower calorie based on your particular needs, but the base ingredients being the oats and the milk and the spinach, you can make some really great combinations with those, adding different stuff like peanut butter, for instance, peanut butter banana. That's a really good one that I also like. But this is a delicious and relatively nutritious way to get in a meal's worth of calories, and it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg like a mass gainer shake might. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think.